Today we're going to be using the F2 Ultra. It's a 60-watt mopa laser. It's an industrial machine. It's the only one we have that'll do color engraving on stainless steel. Here's one we did recently. We're going to be doing another one today. These are metals for sports or any activity that you're actually in. Gives some pretty cool colors. And here's the design software. We'll show some of that. Here's a challenge coin that I cut with the F2 Ultra. Pretty cool how it can engrave on brass. These challenge coins are really popular right now, so we'll be doing some of that later on. But for this video, we've already engraved on this ornament. This is 304 stainless steel. We cut it on our xtool metal fab, which is a laser cutter. It's an amazing machine. Love that machine. But this one we're offering, what is it, 5 or 6 different mascot shapes for high school. This one, my wife teaches at Sterling High School, and their mascot is the Tigers. And so we had cut this shape. I used this shape to print over it. I kind of went a little bit bigger than this, so it turned out okay. But Lori has another design that's meant to fit just this cutout that we have. So we're going to be setting that project up, and I'll show you as we go. Okay, this one right here is the first one we're going to work on today. But we'll be offering all those different mascots depending on if you have a participant in high school that you want to have a special award for. You'll be able to select from these, and we can definitely custom design a mascot if this isn't one of your mascots for your high school or your school. And we will probably offer these for any activity that your child or student may be in. But to begin with, we're going to be making these prototypes, and we'll show you the process today of finishing this tiger head. Okay, we're in the design software. Here's the outline of the shape that will be cut on the metal fab, but we're importing the tiger head to place onto the sports ornament or medal award, whatever you prefer to call it. And so you have to size it to fit onto the shape that you're going to be cutting. In this case, like I showed you, we already have the piece cut, so we're going to be engraving on this piece. Okay, xtool Studio has this amazing feature built in called up here you hit color separation, and what that allows you to do is take each part of the if you see over here to the left, for each part of the ping, this is a PNG file, it gives you a chance to change the colors. So we'll go through that process. This is the sample blank I was showing you from earlier, the earlier engraving we did. And we're going to change the lettering some as far as what it says, and make it a little bit darker. Try to get closer to a black. And then this tiger head will be different, and so this is the way you place it on the xtool F2 Ultra. Where you're going to engrave, you want to have it be where that laser spot is. Okay, we're cutting out our next shape, which is a bulldog on the metal fab. So we've taken a picture, we've placed it, and then we'll cut out over here. this job is finished, let's check out the results. There's the tiger head with the color engraving. Looks great. It's cool what the F2 Ultra can do.